components support the world's toughest industries. Today, we're inside a limestone quarry, a brutal environment where metal meets solid rock. Wow, this is a massive operation. Give us a breakdown of how you go about mining the material from solid rock.
The whole process starts with drilling and explosives. Let's head up top. We're about to blast, and you can see it firsthand. Everything starts with the blasting crew. They've been loading that south wall all morning, and we set up a massive drop just for you.
Unbelievable. Feeling that blast really puts it in perspective. Now, what does it take to crush all that down?
Let's head back over to where we begin the sorting process and feed the primary jaw crusher. To feed the primary crusher, we first use heavy hydraulic hammers to shatter those oversized boulders down to a manageable size. After the primary crusher, we run everything through a series of vibrating screens. That's where the crushed stone gets sorted and routed.
Everything out here really takes a beating. With all that required maintenance, is that where OneMonroe has been able to help?
Yeah, pretty much everything breaks eventually out here. That's why we work with your team to keep essential replacement parts fully stocked on site.
Yeah, that is exactly how OneMonroe helps. We deliver the heavy-duty hardware you need to ensure production never stops.